Introducing Supreme Chinchilla Sand, the perfect choice for your furry friends like chinchillas, degu, hamsters, and gerbils. Made from 100% natural ingredients, this dust-free and bacteria-free sand keeps your pets healthy and happy. Its natural absorbent qualities help keep their habitat clean and fresh. Just a small amount of 1.5 grams or 1.5 milliliters is all you need to provide a safe and comfortable environment. You'll find the purchase link in the description and in the pinned comment. Introducing the Rosewood Mini Brush, the perfect grooming tool for your small pets like rabbits and guinea pigs. This gentle and effective brush easily removes loose fur mats and tangles without causing discomfort. Its compact and ergonomic design makes grooming simple and stress-free for both you and your pet. Regular use promotes healthy, shiny fur and vibrant coats. Stylish in black and purple, it's both practical and fun to use. You'll find the link in the description and in the pinned comment. Introducing the Zerodis Bird Clipper, the perfect tool for keeping your pet bird's nails neat and healthy. Made from solid stainless steel, these clippers are rust and corrosion resistant, sturdy, and built to last. Featuring comfortable, non-slippery rubberized handles, they ensure safe and easy trimming without accidental cuts. Save time and money by grooming your bird at home with confidence. Lightweight and reliable, these clippers are ideal for small animals, birds, rabbits, and hamsters. You'll find the purchase link in the description and in the pinned comment. Introducing the FURminator deShedding tool, the perfect grooming companion for your small pets like rabbits, guinea pigs, hamsters, rats, gerbils, chinchillas, degu, and chipmunks. This tool helps reduce hairballs and removes up to 99% of loose hair when used once or twice a week for 10 to 20 minutes on dry fur. Its stainless steel edge gently reaches through the coat, and the ergonomic handle ensures safe, comfortable grooming. Find the purchase link in the description and in the pinned comment. Introducing the OneCut nail clippers, the perfect tool for quick, safe, and painless pet nail trimming. Designed with high-quality stainless steel blades and rubber-coated handles, these clippers ensure a secure grip and precise cuts every time. Equipped with a protective guard and safety lock, they prevent overcutting and make storage easy. Suitable for dogs, cats, and small animals like hamsters and birds, the OneCut nail clippers are a must-have for pet owners. Okay, you'll find the purchase link in the description and in the pinned comment.